Hey guys, it's Chris with MarketIntelligencem.com. Welcome back to another great video. Today I'm gonna talk to you about a website that's gonna pay you 20 to 80 cents per hour in just typing letters and numbers on your computer by just copying of what you see in an email. Sounds good? Stick with me. I'm gonna explain everything in just a second. Before we go ahead and start this video, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button following this video because I want you to be part of my channel. It would be a great honor, guys. Make sure you click the bell notification next to it so you can receive notifications for the video I release every single day to make money online. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start today's video. The website I'm going to talk about today is called TwoCaptcha.com. You can get the link from the description below. And I'm positive that every single one of you guys out there saw when you go to register on a website that you see all these CAPTCHA information. This is what's called CAPTCHA information, that you need to copy exactly what you see on in front of you, like this here. You see the letters that you need to type in order to verify that the website you are not a spam or a robot or anything like this. Yeah, so this is what you're gonna be doing. We're gonna be seeing these captures, you're gonna be typing in, and these companies pay you money in order to get feedback to see how effective these captures are, because they change all the time. They put pictures, they put letters, they put all this information, they change the way the letter looks, and they want to see if it's active. Now sorry guys, you are able to either go order captures if you're a company or a website, or you can work for TwoCaptcha, and this is what we're interested. We want to work and make money. So before we go ahead and jump on register, let me go ahead and show you all the information we are interested. Actually, the little video here, which is 30 seconds, it can explain really fast.
Without investment. TwoCaptcha.com is your first online job. And you test some images and get paid from 20 to 80 cents per hour. Work anytime you want without limits. Minimum withdrawal from $1. Withdrawal to WebMoney, PayZone, Bitcoin, and other payment systems.
I'm just gonna pause it here, guys. Anyway, it's finishing. So just to answer, really fast video, you can watch it from your side. Free to join, guys. You can work at your own hours, which we love. Minimum withdrawal 1 hour, and you have more than PayPal options to get paid. Even you have Bitcoin, PayZone, and so on. So about earning, what I need to work, all you need is a computer or a smartphone with internet access. You need to pass a simple training test that takes 5 to 10 minutes, and it's really fun, guys. Very easy to do. How to work? Working on TwoCaptcha is quite simple. Just hit start work. You can see either on the very top here or on the bottom when you scroll down. Who needs that and why we pay for solving captchas? Companies paying you, as I told you, so they can make sure that the people who is not a robot and they're not spamming people. That's why you're gonna do this. So easy earning on internet without investment. $50 for about 1 to 2 hours, depending on what you do. Different payout methods, minimum from $50. Actually, from my experience, it's a $1. No payout fees. You can get on your wallet the exact amount. Click quick start and start giving it a shot. It's very easy, guys. On how you can do. You're gonna do a small test, put the captcha in, and you go from there. This is what I want to show you guys today. I know that the payout for this one is not a lot. So if you're making a few extra dollars per day, it's something you are interested, give it a shot. It's very easy to do as well. It's fun actually to do as well. But if you want to see my number one recommendation, how you can make money online, my number one recommendation, make sure you click the link below, my number one recommendation, and follow. It's also free to register. Give it a shot. Maybe it works for you as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, don't forget to click thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I want you on my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy, guys. Have an amazing day. Start making some money. Thank you so much.